by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription. It's $29.99 monthly, and you can cancel at any time. You receive 5 to 6 handmade, natural, and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oil, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oils. Now for the $29.99, this is free shipping, and you do get the 5 to 6 self-care items. It is a subscription, although you can cancel at any time, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what I did receive for the month of June. And all of the information is listed below if you are interested in checking out Beauty by Francesca. Alrighty, so let's see what's going on for June 2022. Excuse me. All right, so this is the card, and it has information regarding the products. It says about face, so I guess these products are going to be a lot to do with the face this month. All right, the first product is Herbal Detox Face Mask. This is a gentle face mask suitable for all skin types. This handcrafted blend is made with some amazing skin revitalizing organic ingredients. And look at that. That is like a powder that's easily spilt. But yeah, so the ingredients are spirulina kelp, tea roses, lavender, lemon peel that will soften and deepen and hydrate. So interesting to try that. All right, so on to the next. This is organic rose water. It's a deeply hydrating skin refresher and toner made from organic roses. And it says it's applied directly to the skin with a cotton ball after using a face cleanser for additional softening and hydration. This is a 1 ounce size, and it does have a lovely rose scent. All right, so on to the next. Looks like a little bit of candy. No, that's not candy. That says face mask. Okay, so this is different. Compressed face mask. It's a face mask that is hydrated in liquid and then unfolded and applied to your face. It's perfect use for the organic rose water or your favorite facial serum. How nice would that be to travel somewhere with, right? Okay, so the next is a lavender rose facial cleansing gel. Yes, I'm excited to try this. A gentle water-based cleanser with skin balancing lavender and palmarosa essential oils to promote impurities from oil cleansing. This is a 4 ounce bottle, and it has an amazing homemade clean smell. Okay, so on to the next. This one is Rose Clay Hydrating Facial Polish. It's a creamy, luxurious facial polish. It's an exfoliator made with rose clay, organic sugar, bamboo extract, and ground walnut hulls that help renew skin and encourage skin cell regeneration. You use 1 to 2 times per week for glowing skin. And doesn't that look good? Oh, it smells amazing as well. All right, so the next is Rosemary Facial Cleansing Oil. This is an invigorating facial cleansing oil made with a blend of non-comedogenic oils and rosemary essential oil to remove dirt, sebum, and debris from face. Yet another amazing product. So this is 4 ounces. And I'm telling you, this box is just, it's almost like she makes the box for me. I absolutely love this subscription. So included on the back of the card is the traditional 10-step routine is the most widely used method of performing a Korean skincare routine. It usually goes as follows. Oil-based cleanser to remove dirt and debris. Water-based cleanser removes the remaining impurities left behind by cleansing oil. Exfoliate, remove dead skin cells and build up. Tone restores the skin's natural pH. Essence is a unique skincare regimen. Essences are formulated and fermented ingredients which are meant to hydrate and protect. And then treatment is a serum. Serums to target specific issues such as wrinkles or acne. Then the sheet mask. The sheet masks are sheets of serum-soaked papers that you lay on your face for about 20 minutes. Then you do the eye cream applied to target darkness, puffiness, and fine lines. Then you moisturize, seal, and protect the skin. And then finally your SPF to protect against sun damage. So the products received are the Rosemary Facial Cleansing Oil, Lavender Rose Facial Cleansing Gel, Rose Clay Hydrating Facial Polish, Herbal Detox Face Mask, Compressed Face Mask, and the Organic Rose Water. So what do you guys think? I love it. It gets better every month. I absolutely love this box. So here's all the products, and that's it. Let me know what you think of this box in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.